Have you ever told yourself, today I'm going to practice English for 3 hours? You open your textbook or notebook to memorize the list of vocabulary, memorize grammar, but unfortunately, it feels boring. You start to feel like it's not worth it, You feel overwhelmed. And as a result, you quit memorizing vocabulary and you start to think English is not for me. So if you are one who is facing this problem, then in this video I'm going to show you how I practice 7 hours every single day without ever touching a textbook. So if you are interested to learn English, then this video is going to be very useful for you. So let's get started. The number one thing I practice is thinking in English. Whatever I do, whatever activities I do, I say them in English. When I want to exercise, I say I'm going to exercise. When I am reading English, I say I'm reading English. So whatever activities I am doing, I say in English. So right now I am recording this video, I say I'm recording my video. So this is how I practice English. That's number one. I speak like this the whole day. Whatever I do, whatever I see, I speak in English. So this is how I speak. Number two is I listen to podcast every single day. Yeah, 2 hours of podcast every single day. This is my non-negotiable thing. This is most important thing in my daily English learning plan. I at least consume 1 hour of podcast every single day. Third thing I do is I speak with ChatGPT. I enable voice mode on ChatGPT. I speak with ChatGPT. I learn new vocabulary talking with ChatGPT. I practice new sentence structures, grammar rules, just speaking with AI. I tell ChatGPT to speak with me in a simple language. So I speak a lot with ChatGPT. Number 4 is I read a lot. Not that textbook, but online articles, YouTube comments, and online news articles. I read every single day. And I collect new vocabulary every single day and give that to ChatGPT and say, hey ChatGPT, could you explain how to use these words in a simple way? Then I practice using those words in my daily life. So this is how I practice English every single day. Yeah, I watch a lot of videos, read a lot of online articles, YouTube comments, and make videos like this. If you are feeling stuck, then practice like me, and one day you will speak English fluently. And I'm also making this video to practice speaking too. I'm feeling nervous, but I don't care about making mistakes. So yeah, if you found this video useful, consider subscribing, and thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye guys.